Hello, beautiful souls. I'm supporting a small shop on Instagram. She's known here as Lisa Goss on YouTube, and here is her card. So her Instagram is Happy Crafter Shop, where she sells items, and she also does destashes. And here is her other Instagram where she posts things that she creates. And YouTube is Happy Crafter. Okay, so here are the few things that I bought. Well, this was a collective. Like, I did it over time, so it's a little bit bigger than a few things. I wanted these because I've seen people make charms out of these, and I thought it was so pretty. So I was lucky enough to get my hands on a few of these. She doesn't have these anymore, by the way, because this is when I first found out about her shop, and I ended up purchasing a few items. I love these. These I love. I'm also here to share an update on my future videos, YouTube videos. She also likes to share free gifts. Look how these are little tiny pink iridescent hearts. They're so pretty. Shakers. I don't really do shakers. That's not really my thing. But I think maybe, you know, I can create one or two here or there, and I already have the bits for it. So here are the hearts. So like I was saying, I will be sure this is another free gift. Look at these pretty bows. Okay, I started to say something. I cannot multitask. My mind gets tongue twisted or brain twisted. This is another freebie. Another shake a bit. These are little bunnies. So cute. They're yellow iridescent. So pretty. Look at the shine on that. So pretty. Okay, let's see if I can gather my thoughts together where I'm showing all these pretties. I mean, she really sells some really pretty stuff. And they're extremely affordable. They're very affordable, so you're not breaking the bank shopping with her. Here, I OD'd on these. I got 3. Look how cute these are. Did I get 2 of these? No, I only got 1, but I did get a bigger size. These are this has like a pearlescent to it. But I did get 2 of these. These are real tiny, and these are the bigger ones. You could always make holes on these for the eye pins or the screw pins, or you can glue a bail behind them. It's up to you. Oh, look, I did get another one. I OD'd. I haven't used any of this yet. I'm waiting for... I'm waiting to create some new things that I have in mind. They're in the works in my head, though. They're working in my head. I just haven't put them together yet. I bought these alphas. These are nice for personalizing. These are heart rose beads. These are little enamel lollipops. So cute. I do have another one of these. I actually put these on the house, a gift box that I've been working on like forever. Right here. Look how pretty that is. It gives it a little cute touch. I think I did it on both sides. I sure did. Here's another one. Isn't that pretty? I'm not going to show you the house in its entirety because I have yet to do a video on that. Then I have this set, which is a mixed color from these cupcakes. These are resin. And then I got 2. Look how pretty these are. And these are like fun summer colors, but these are a lot of my favorite colors that I will use all year round, no matter the season. So you don't necessarily have to make this just according to the season. Like, you know, cupcakes and candies, and even this, even though it's a bunny and people will probably use this for Easter, I would use it all year round. It really doesn't matter, especially if I'm working with a theme. There are these. These are so pretty. I love the colors. As a kid, I would say yellow was my favorite color. As I got older, my taste changed, but it's still a pretty color in my mind. And I'm so glad she put these up because I wanted some heart beads, and these are iridescent. And this was a freebie. Look how pretty this is. I wish I would have gotten another one of these. And this is, I know this is a porcelain flower because I have a few of these. These are for like nail art. And they're in gold. I love gold more than silver. I'm not much of a silver person. I do like sterling silver, but not like fake silver. But I do like gold, even if it's not the real thing. I like it. Oh, here's another one. I didn't realize I bought two of those. Of course I did. They're roses and pastel. Hello. And then I got these bows. I will get to the update in a minute. I have to stop focusing on this in order to share because I can't do both. I could have done a voiceover, but okay, so this one came in today. I did open it, and she packages really pretty. I guess if you order a certain amount, she'll put it in a box, but if it's, you know, a little bit less, she won't put it in a box, but it's still secured because she puts it in a real thick bubble envelope. So she packages her stuff really, really well, so you won't be disappointed. So here, ooh, I love these. Look at these. Oh my goodness. I OD'd on these. I got 3. I love them. Love, love, love them. And they're shiny. Love them. So pretty. And then I got more bows. These are beads, so they have holes in them. Got more bows. I want to put them back in the box. So I'm going to hold them in my hand. I did get another set of these. I had these before. I bought these before, and then she had another set. So I bought more. And then these. And then she gave me more as a free gift. And with a unicorn. Excuse me. Excuse me. A unicorn in a donut. So cute. So cute. Oh, look. You can't get enough of bows. I didn't realize I bought 2, so I did. And then I bought 2 enamels. I remember buying 2 of these. There's a tiny envelope. Isn't that cute? 3 flowers, a heart, and another lollipop. So pretty. And then there's these jumbo ones. I love these. They have them. When I first bought them, I got the small ones. And then she just did a jumbo one. Love the jumbo ones too. Okay, so that's it for this share. Please check her out here on YouTube and on Instagram. She has 2 Instagrams because one she sells on and another she, you know, posts her creations, the stuff that she creates. And of course she has a YouTube channel. Okay. I recently opened a YouTube, a separate Instagram, separate from my original, where I'm also selling. So if you want to check that out, please do. It's Tea Time and Dolls Boutique. I will link it in the description panel below. I appreciate those who have stepped up and purchased. I appreciate you guys so much for that. Thank you for supporting my small venture. It's warmly, warmly appreciated, and I'm very, very touched. For the update, I'm going in a different direction with my YouTube channel. It's still going to be very crafty. I'm still going to do paper crafts, but I want to showcase other craft mediums that I've done in the past that I want to get back into. One of them is painting, drawing, sketching. I also know how to sew. For those of you that have been following me, I have mentioned that I used to be a fashion designer here in New York, but I have so much more in me, that I want to share. But it's all crafty. It's still in the crafting medium. It's just a different array of crafty mediums. And I want to do it in a vlog format as opposed to the way that I've been doing it. I will still be sharing tutorials for things that are for sale, and I also will be still sharing tutorials that you do not have to purchase. I feel it's time for a change. As you notice, I haven't been posting very much. I haven't really been satisfied with the way I've been doing things. So I've been taking some time off to really think about it. And I've decided that life does happen. There are ups and there are downs, and we don't talk about the downs really. You know, we put on this happy voice here on camera, but we are human. And there's so much to us as a human being, as a spiritual being, that we don't really share and we don't really talk about. And it's nice to let other people know that they're not alone and that there is a balance. There's ups and then there's downs and then there's balance. I don't know if this is going to be a good thing or a bad thing, but we don't know until we take a chance. Life is about taking chance. Either going to be phenomenal or we have to tweak it to make it more phenomenal. The point is to be myself, be yourselves. I'm moving in a direction where I want to be more of myself. I want to share that you are not alone. None of us are alone, and we don't have to do this alone. Okay, so that's my update. I will link all that I've shared here in the description panel below. As far as, you know, the shops and my new shop, well, that's pretty much it. Let's share, be fair, be filled with love, and love one another. Take good care, everybody.